The hero Vero coming at you from the other side. What's good, man? You got three eyes. Can you see me real good, man? Can you see me clear? What's good, man? It's the hero Vero coming at you from the other side. Got something real special for you today, guys. I got me some new tech. Some new technology for you from the other side, man. We got you locked here, bro. Let me show you what I got real quick, man. Alright, what I got real quick for you, man. It is a wireless controller from all the way from China. Right, let's get into the unboxing experience, man. It's some cheap Chinese shit, as you can see. It's written there in Chinese. Wireless controller, man. Everything's in Chinese these days, bruh. We're gonna have to learn some Mandarin, though. You know what I'm saying? The unboxing experience, man. Box, nigga. The box there, nigga. Look at that. In the box, you get the driver disc, right? And you get the controller and the wireless receiver. Taking the first look at the controller, it's quite rugged, you know. It feels good. Damn it, man! Lighting. I had to fire some people. Right, it's got nice lighting, you know what I'm saying? Feels rugged. Put side to side the real controller. Can't really see much difference, can you, nigga? Can't really see much difference. Damn, the camera angles is stanky, nigga. Can't really see much angles, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Can't really see much difference, right? Book of analogs, got the X, got the circle, got the square, got the triangle. Nigga, it's not for dot, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Let's put that aside. Now, the build quality feels so solid, you know what I'm saying? Feels real good in the hands. You know, you can really get used to playing with this every day. Now, it is, of course, using batteries, you know, using batteries, man. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to pop in some fresh new batteries. Now the nice thing about this, it works with both Android, PC, and PlayStation 3. Now I'm gonna show you all of that right here, but I don't have a PlayStation 3, so I'm sorry guys. I'm just gonna have to show you the Android and the PC, how it works. I'm gonna be gaming the Naruto. If you're not already on that Naruto, nigga, where has you been, bruh? Naruto is the best shinobi thing ever that happened to our century's kids right now. Since you're playing on a computer, you're gonna need to run an emulator, Xbox emulator, you know, because your controller is not gonna be innate to all these buttons. You know, you're gonna have to configure these buttons so that you're gaming out here, bro, wireless and shit. Next level, nigga. Next level, nigga. Yeah, fucking tail beast, nigga. You don't fuck with the tail beast, nigga. You should have stayed in the village, Sasuke. You should have stayed in the village. It's love. God damn, he awakened. Fuck, I'll finish Sasuke just like that, bruh. It's over. Sasuke, you should have stayed at the village, Sasuke. You should have stayed at the village. What are you doing? What were you doing, huh? What you thought you were gonna have? What you thought was gonna happen, Sasuke? Now, if you wanna play it on Android, gotta make sure that you have the adapter, you know, this little mini adapter, so you can connect it to your Android device. Now I'm gonna put all the links in the description to get all this good shit, for the good shit for you, for the homeboys, for the real niggas, for the niggas who want to trap. It's like a model, it's like a Call of Duty, it's like Call of Duty but for the Android, you know, so you can get your game on real slick and tight, you know what I'm saying? It's about to get real, man. It's Let's get real. Whoa, whoa, where are we supposed to go? I got that kill, bro. I got that kill. Fuck with me, man. Fuck on me, bro. Damn it. Where the niggas at though?
Let's go. So who are you? How do you know Rue? I'm
Headshot, nigga, die, bitch. What do you do? What do you do? You gotta crouch, man. You gotta be stealthy with this shit. Gotta be stealthy with them shits, man. Let's go. Let's go, lady. Don't waste my time, lady. Don't waste my time. Yeah, I gotta take that die, bitch. Die. It's good. It's good. Headshot, nigga. Don't fuck with my life. Oh hell no. I'm taking this weapon. This weapon is off the chain. This weapon is the shit. Hondoni desu ka? Shiranai. Now, if you don't know Japanese, when he says shiranai, he means he don't know. He don't know. And Hondoni is like, really? Like, really, nigga? Like, really, nigga? You don't know? You don't know what a payload is? Damn it. Man, if you like that video, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, you know. And one lucky viewer will be getting a joystick. Cause I got two for your homies. I got your blood, I got the hookup, I'm the plug, man. Scarface in the joystick game, nigga. Seriously though, keep up locked on my Twitter feeds. I'm gonna give out one joystick for the homies. You know, if you're really good with a homie though, bro, I'll hook you up. I'll hook you up with a good, bro. Yeah. Peace.